Hello everyone, this is Usnik. This is my fifth experiment in web lab, which is on JavaScript, DOM element and events. So my first question is to get the longest word from a sentence, um, and to print it over here. So my this is the front end. This is that function which I made. First I'll show you how it works. So if there is a long text, so yeah, that will be the output. And so I've taken the text box on value, which is from this one, and splitted it with space, and then variable long array. I've taken the array's first position, and between all the spaces, before all the spaces I've checked how many is it, and if it's like that we'll just the length, and if it's the maximum we'll just print it. So yeah, this is the one, longest one. From there we'll print. So yeah, that's how it works. My second one is BMI adjustment. Okay, this is second one is BMI. So if I give a value, just random value. So yeah, this is my BMI. So this is also simple logic. This I just have to get the height and weight and put it through this formula and just print it finally. Get rid of the extra spaces. And next one is I'll show you how what it is first. So yeah, this is what the number of rows and columns will give. That number of flowers will appear. So whatever I do. So for that the code is this one. So I made rows and calls. I just declared it and get the rows value and calls value in here, and table. I have made a table here, garden table, and took it in as a table object, and after that I've inserted a row whenever like the number of rows is here, so that number of time I'll insert a row, and number of columns is there, that number of time I'll just print a number of these things. So yeah, that's what I've done. So yeah, this is how it works. And now this is a simple kg to lbs converter. C 5 lbs to kg. This is also very easy, just to take the day values from here and convert it. If from to, I've taken it from the this option bars, and put it inside these from and to. If I checked it, whatever it is, and according to it I'll just put the formula through this one, and at the end I have to print it out, and if both are same it's an valid output. See if it's kg, sorry, lbs it will be valid option values. um, Now the last question is to get heads and tails. So the number of heads and tails flip I'll do equal number of time it will get incremented. It should be a random process. So this is my flip function. So I've just created globally created this num of head number of tails equal to 0, so that I can use it later. So I've used math.floor option. Maths at random option to get a random variable. So it just ranges from 0, 1, 0 and 1 only. So yeah, and I've floored it so that it is less than the given one. So it's less than 2, which is 1. be something 1 point something, so that's all. Okay, so if it is 0, I have printed head. If it's 1, which is obviously the else part, I have printed, like I showed the image tails. So that's all, and I just incremented it the number of times the head or tail comes. So yeah, this was my fifth experiment. Hope you guys understood what I've done. If there are any queries or something, just leave a comment below. I'll try my best to explain it to you. So that's all for this video. Thank you.